For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me.
Hi guys, ngayon, we will visit again the Job Street because they are hiring virtual assistant property researcher. Work from home po ito, the chat agency. So, Cebu City yung ano nila, naka-base yung office nila, and you are work from home. So, 35,000 per month. So this administrative assistant, office support, and immediate start and training provided. So this is 7 days ago. So let's check the job. So virtual assistant property researcher, work from home, and then hiring now. Okay, they're hiring. Are you passionate about real estate and love uncovering valuable property insight? This is your chance to work with a leading Perth-based real estate agency from the comfort of your home. As a property researcher, you will play a key role in helping us identify high potential investment opportunities by searching properties, analyzing market trends, and providing vital data to support purchasing decisions. If you have a keen eye for data, experience with CoreLogic, Domain, or XQM, and a drive to excel in real estate research, we want you on our team. So salary 35,000 per month, work set up, remote, work from home, and hours full-time, Monday to Friday, Australian business hours. Okay, researching and retrieving property details in Australia, identifying previous owner, agent, and brokers, analyzing market prices, trends, and land slopes, using property research tools. So, compiling reports to assist with property procurement and investment decision. What we're looking for: experience in real estate research or property analysis, familiarity with Australian property platforms, CoreLogic, domains, etc. Strong attention to details, analytical skills, proficient in Excel, data management, ability to work independently, and meet deadlines. So, apply now and be part of our growing team. So, dito po ay hindi po sila nagbibigay ng link. All you have to do is punta po kayo sa site ng Job Street and then search for this job, virtual assistant property researcher. Lalabas po yan. And this is work from home setup. So, be careful not to give your bank account. So, yun po talaga. So, or bank card, credit card when applying jobs. So, yun po yung information ng trabahong ito. Madami pa po silang hiring. So, you can visit the jobstreet.com, philippine.jobstreet.com, virtual assistant. So, if you want to search no experience required, then you can search also. So, what are you waiting for? Punta na sa Job Street and then mag-search na ng trabaho. And I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. And so, madami pang trabaho na hiring dito sa Job Street. So, mag-apply na kayo. Okay, so be an early applicant. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you. Para ma-notify po kayo sa bago nating video.